Hey, what's up? This is Gurjitster from Explain channel, and today we're gonna show you how to use After Effects and to do a simple text effect. So let's open the software, and then if you can see here, you click on composition and you click new composition, and this is from the drop down menu. You choose 720p 29 frames per second, and this is a start time code which is 0 and duration is like 10 seconds long, and make sure this background color is black, and you hit OK, and then hit OK. Then you go in layer, new solid, and then we name it as background, and then hit OK. And then you go in, you select the layer, and then you click on effect, generate, and then come down here to ramp. And ramp shape, we're gonna change it from linear to radial, and then bring this start of the ramp point in the middle, and then you change the color of this start color. You click on the color and then you change it to like a dark red close to black, something like that, and then you change the end color from white to black, and then you scroll back down and then you choose this point and drag it like quite far, and then you see a nice looking background. And then you click on the text tool, and then you click on here, and then you type explain channel, and then you hit the title save option, and then if you grab the control key and then you bring it down, make sure it's in like center position. Then you can turn this option off. I'm sorry for the typo. Okay, you can choose whatever, any style of the text you want. You can select the text and go in this character window, and then you drop down this menu and you can choose any nice looking title. So let's say if we choose this, bring it in the middle, and then you can scale it up. If you hit select the layer and then you choose the control key, and then you can press control and shift, and if you move the text and try to like scale it up, if you grab the shift and control key, and it's gonna scale from the middle. And you can also, you have to make sure your anchor point, you choose this anchor point pan behind tool, and your anchor point should be in the middle. Okay, so today we're gonna do a simple opacity effect. You choose the text layer and you hit T on the keyboard. It's gonna show you the opacity control, and you see this control, which is the keyframe stopwatch. You hit the stopwatch, and then the software gonna bring you the keyframe control, which is right now it's 100%, so you can see the text like 100% opacity, and then you can push few like a second at 1 second, and then you change the opacity to from 100, and then you go in the beginning and you choose it, type in here like 0. So it's gonna slowly fade in as you ramp preview the video. So in the preview window you hit this button, which is the ramp preview, and it's gonna preview your animation, your composition. So let's see. So it slowly fades in. So right now these keyframes are in the default option. So if you hit this graph editor, you can see it's just going from 0 to 100. There's no gradual increase in the values. So if you select the keyframes and right click, and then if you go to keyframe assistant, you can choose easy ease, or you can hit F9 on your keyboard, and then now if you see your animation, it gradually goes from 0 to 100. So I have this music track here, so you go to file, import, you go to file, and then I have this small music track. Right here. So if you double click here, so the track comes here, so you can drag this to your composition, and then if you hit LL on your keyboard, it's gonna show you the waveform. So you can grab your music layer and then you can see the waveform. So right now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to line it up with the music, so as it shows up the music goes on. Let's see what we are at right now. So it fades in, and then I'm gonna fade it out at this note. So you come here and then you hit the keyframe switch, and then you want to fade it out at this point where this music goes on. So you bring it back here and then click this option. It's gonna show you the keyframe, and then you come here and then you turn it to 0. Let's see. So it's a little bit behind, so you grab these keyframes and then move it forward a bit. I hope this will fix the problem, and I hope you like this tutorial, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.